what's up everyone, it's Mark with M2M Detail. This is episode 2 of Fold With Me. So we're going to be folding towels, talking about the jobs we had this week, best tool we used this week, and anything else that happened this week. So let's get into the video. The last one was about 27 minutes long, so we're going to be folding a lot faster this time. So, Kirkland towel, interior. We'll keep going over the towels every time. But let's talk about this week. What did we do this week? So it's kind of been like a week and a half. So we did a Charger, 2019 Charger RT. We did the vinyl wrap in the bottom front bumper to make it all black in the bottom grille. And we also did window tint, used SolarGuard Supreme. It's a dye film, lifetime warranty though. So it's a great film, really enjoy it. It's really easy to work with, nice shrinking. And we did 8% all the way around. And we put the eyebrow, on the front windshield, about 4 inches down. Came out really nice, looks really good. And we also did the paint protection film. So we did the front bumper, full front bumper. And then we also did partial hood. So we did about 18 inches up on the hood, which goes right past the hood scoop. Came out really nice. And we used SolarGuard Clear Shield Hydro, or Pro Hydro. So we it's hydrophobic, clearly. It's a great PPF. Like, I really like it. It's a little bit harder to work with. I think the best film to install on paint protection film, like as an installer, I think Suntech's up there. Suntech's really easy to work with. You don't get lift lines, glass towel. You don't get lift lines if you got to lift it up, get some debris out. Suntech is really good at that. You could pretty much lay it down, tack it, find a piece of debris, lift it back up after you tack it, and you don't see it. Well, most of the other films, you'll see a lift line. So something for you guys to think about if you're trying to install some paint protection film. And you guys do know, I hope, that we sell pre-cut kits of paint protection film. Right now, we just have our headlight templates up on our internet or the website. So if you guys need like front bumpers, pillars, wherever you guys want PPF, hit me up. I'll send you what cuts I have for your vehicle, and I'll pre-cut them. And we'll send them out to you. So if you ever want to do some PPF by yourself, let me know. I'll get you the material, get you the cuts you want, and you guys can install it. So we did that. Did a couple window tints. Today we did a 2013 Camaro, 2019 Chevy Traverse. Traverse came out really good. Really like how the gaskets are super low on the doors, so it makes it very nice for install. We did 8% on the back and then 28% on the front two doors. Came out really nice. The Camaro did 28 all the way around. Let's see what else we got going on. What did we do? Oh yeah, last week we did a 2005 Ford GT. Yep, Ford GT. So I'll post some pictures at the end of the video, so make sure you watch the whole video. It's not gonna be 27 minutes long, I hope, but who knows, it might be. But yeah, the Ford GT, all we did on that was clean up the clear bra. It had paint protection film over the whole vehicle. A couple errors were lifting. The job got done a couple years ago. So we just went around the corners, trimmed up anything that was lifting, make it look nice and clean again. And then we removed all the tint, the windshield, the side doors, the little triangles, and then we re-tinted everything on ceramic. Came out really nice, and by far the hardest windows in my life. I failed 9 times installing the passenger side. So if you guys are thinking about tinting a Ford GT, let me tell you, don't work out good. It's really hard. The side windows are like a complete bubble, and it's just super tight. Just took a lot longer. Not gonna lie, did not leave at 5 o'clock that day. Right now, it is 5:27, and I was like, yo, I gotta make this video for you guys real quick. Let's see what else we got. We did a brand new 2019 Range Rover, I guess Land Rover, Range Rover, Evoque? I think it's Evoque. It looked really good. That was a nice looking car. Really cool little Range Rover. It came out really nice. We did, what we did? We did 5% on all the backs, and then we did, what did we do up front? We did, I think it's 25? Is it 25? I want to say it was a 25% on the front two doors, and then we did a 45% on the windshield. So it came out really nice. And yeah, because I was kind of worried about installing the windshield because I heard that, you can't get no water back there. And, I don't have my rope right now for the microfiber rope. So I was like, ooh. So I installed it with very little solution, slip solution. And it came out really good. Really happy with the install. There wasn't much water at all. So that was pretty cool. And we also, what else do we do? We do mobile washing. Normally on Fridays and Sundays, we go out and we wash cars too. I keep saying we. I go out and wash cars on Fridays, Sundays. Got a couple accounts, so I keep them on Friday, Saturday, knock them all out, keep them happy. We also did the Audi Q8. That video might be before this video or it might be after this video. Not sure, but keep an eye out for the Audi Q8. We debadged it. We took all the badges off. They're all chrome from factory. So we took out the Audi symbol in the grill. We took out the Audi symbol in the back. And then we took off the Q8 badge in the back. And then we reinstalled gloss black badges. So that came out really nice. And I made a video for you guys on that. I was looking up on YouTube and I was like 2019 Audi Q8 badge removal. Nothing came up. Then we got the 17 and 18, which is pretty much the same thing. I'm not gonna lie. After seeing those videos and I did mine, it's pretty much the same. You were able to take off the front emblem without removing the grill. Pretty much the same clip setup. Just different little, they look a little different. So yeah, check that video out. That was a pretty cool video. Another note, we sold some more chemicals. So that's pretty cool. Been selling some chemicals, mostly just selling to the customers that come into my shop and, they get their car detailed or window tint and want to protect the vehicle after, keep it maintained. Mostly just selling to them right now, but they are up on the website at m2mdetail.com. So you guys can check them out there. We are working on some t-shirts, some hats probably. We'll get those going hopefully before summertime. I got my book. So it's my little calendar. It's how I write down all my jobs. So now we can talk about some of the jobs we did. So pretty much went over all of them almost already. But yeah, the Ford GT took about 2.5 days. So that kind of kept my schedule pretty locked up right there. This week we got a 4Runner. We already ceramic coated it. Well, we did a ceramic coat removal. He got from another shop and the coating was just not where it should be. It was all messed up. It was showing a bunch of swirl marks and wasn't being as hydrophobic as it should. So we removed that coating and we applied our 5-year coating. Came out really nice. And he gave me a call last week and he was like, hey Mark, I think I'm ready to do some PPF. And I was like, all right, what do you want done? So Wednesday we're gonna start with the front bumper. We're just gonna do the front bumper and go from there. We might do a partial hood. I'm gonna talk him into it. He wants to do it, but the price is different. So, but I'm gonna get him. We're gonna get him on the partial hood. These towels are pretty dope, guys. They're at Sam's Club. Really nice, really cool towels. They really don't absorb that good. I like to use them for interior and door jams, but they are nice. So I don't know if you guys checked out my boy Student Drifter, aka the Mike Campa. Homie's been releasing some videos. Don't make me talk about the 1,000 subscribers again, guys. I need your help. We're at 69 right now. So we gotta get more subscribers. We need like 921. Damn. So we're gonna get there though. We're gonna get there because I'm gonna keep making these videos for you guys and just pumping them out for you. And what else do we got planned this week? We have a Lexus 460 getting full detail. It's white. We did the headlight restoration about a year ago. And yeah, he's coming back. He wants to get a full detail this time. Get that car looking good. Woo! All right, let's talk about tool of the week. What tool of the week did I love most this week? I'm gonna say, oh it's a tough one, guys. I'm gonna have to give it to Adam's, Mega Towel, the Mega Drying Towel. That's probably the best thing I used this week, drying the vehicles. That towel right there, guys, it's a beast. On Sunday, we did the Bentley, the G-Wagon, and the Porsche GTS, and the SUV. And one towel dried all 3 vehicles. It's crazy. See, one thing to avoid when washing a car. How about we go into washing cars? Because I'm not gonna lie, we're a shop, and we wash cars all the time. But you at home, you probably wash your car. If you're watching these type of videos, you're probably washing your car. So let's go over some strategies and techniques to help you wash your car, wash it safer, and get the job done faster. So let's go through how I wash cars. So first things first, I get everything ready, get my 2 buckets out, get everything set up, everything's all loaded, the foam can's ready to go. I got my wool bucket with my brushes in there, everything's all set up. It's all about preparation. So first thing I do is I clean the wheels. So I hit the front wheel real quick, rinse it, hit the fender wheel, rinse it, and then I get my wheel cleaner, start cleaning my wheels, spray some degreaser on the fender wheels, and get all the tar and gum or whatever is built up in the back of the tire well. Get all that taken care of while I'm cleaning the wheel, rinse it off. And I repeat that, 3 more times on the other wheels. After I get done with the wheels, I rinse from top to bottom, give it a nice little pressure wash, and then I spray my foam can. Now this is where you go multiple different routes. My vehicles don't get that dirty. So I normally just rinse them, spray my foam cannon, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I rinse it off, and that's it. I only use sponges on my vehicles because I clean my cars, weekly. The garage cab, they're cleaned once a week. They never get real dirty. Now, if your car is dirty, that technique's not going to work for you. So you're going to have to, rinse from top to bottom, spray your foam cannon. You might have to let the foam cannon sit for 5 minutes and then rinse it and then spray some foam again and then scrub it. It's all about how dirty your car is. So either you could foam it, rinse it off if it's like light dust, and you'd be good to go. Or, you might have to foam it, sponge it all down, get it nice and clean. And if it's super dirty, I suggest you guys foam it, let it sit, rinse it, and then foam it again, and then you scrub. So you're not rubbing all the dirt and debris into your paint, or on your paint. So, it's multiple different ways. And then when it comes to drying, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I use blowers. I fucking love them. The blowers are awesome for getting water out, moving water real fast. If your car is ceramic coated, check out a blower when you're drying the vehicle. It is insane. I might have to put a quick video real quick. So, when I go dry the car, we blow it off. Blow it off real quick, get the water all out of the crevices so it's not dripping everywhere while I'm trying to dry away a towel. And then we move on to, the final drying step. Now we get our Mega Towel from Adams, and we dry the car real quick. Start out all the windows, knock all the windows out real quick, and then we move on to, the paint, the hood, top of the vehicle, and work our way down. Get that all nice and clean. Then after I'm done with that, I grab another towel. I normally use stuff like this, one of these towels, and I hit all the door jambs. So I get in all the door jambs real quick, clean them all up. They look very nice. I'm done. Cool. Now I go to my tires. I apply some tire shine. Nice. Did I get some on the wheels? Most likely. So then I go clean my wheels real quick. Now after that step, now we're going to be getting into the interior. So, it all depends how far you want to take this. Like, are you going to be brushing out your air vents? I don't know. You might be. But you always want to brush the crevices or any type of little department or cubies or anything, small areas. You want to brush it before you vacuum it so everything falls out, So everything just goes to the floor or wherever it's going to go. It goes, and then you vacuum everything up. In the beginning, I used to vacuum right away, and then when I started cleaning the console, I started looking at the carpet, I'm like, dang, there's a bunch of debris on it now. And it's all because you weren't brushing before you vacuum. So make sure you vacuum after you brush. So after I brush, then I vacuum, then I start cleaning the door panels. So I use M2M Detail all purpose, or I use Meguiar's interior quick detailer. I use that, and I do all the door panels real quick, knock those out. And then I get a new towel. Well, I get a new towel, and I do the dash, and I do anything by the head unit, anything up there. If you guys have black piano in your car, be cautious. That will scratch super quick. And then you're gonna have to call someone with a little buffer, like your little Roots iBird, with a little 1-inch pad, have them compound all those scratches out. But it is possible to get those scratches out. If you guys are wondering, your black piano is all scratched up, yes, you can fix that. I'm the guy who can fix that. So then I do that, clean all the instrument, all the head unit area, cup holders, all that. And then I get my other towel that I was using on the door the door panels. I use that towel, and I started doing all the plastic molding, the bottom of the seats, anything else plastic, and that's pretty much it. Clean your glass last. So I do all my glass windows last. So guys, hopefully this isn't 27 minutes. Let me check. I don't think so, it's 5:42. We started like 5:27 hopefully. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. Please subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell your family. They don't have to watch. Just subscribe. Just joking. Have them watch. And I appreciate you guys watching. This is Mark with M2M Detail. Mark out.